Papers for social problems are required to be written in APA format. A template has been created to assist you with learning how to do this in APA. If you go to Blackboard and go under Week 2, the Week 2 link, click on it, this screen will appear. Near the top of the screen is something called the template for papers in SOC 203. You need to put your cursor on the link and right click and save it to your computer and then open it from your computer. Sometimes if you left click it and try to save it, it doesn't work appropriately. Right click, save to your computer. After it's saved to your computer, you open it up in Word and you have a template. The first area is the header, which is in the upper right hand corner. In order to alter the header for your paper, you just put the cursor somewhere in this area, left click, and you will be able to make changes to the header. When you're done editing the header, you go ahead and put your cursor somewhere else on the paper and then just click. Sometimes the paper jumps around, unfortunately. If you scroll down, you'll notice that you have an area where you're to put the title of the paper, to put your first and last name. The title of the course is already listed. My name is listed. You put the month, day, and year. An abstract is not required in the papers for social problems. The next page begins the text. Whenever we say that there's a certain number of pages required, we're talking about the heart of the paper, the content. You need to put the title of the paper again in this area. This is a heading that's already been inserted. You usually have at least an introduction and a conclusion, and then other headings as either prescribed by the assignment or per your preference. This is where you would begin the typing of the first paragraph. The last page of the template is called References. Now, the first source is your primary textbook, and it's formatted in appropriate APA format. We also have a reader, which is by the same author, and you'll notice that it's slightly different. Each chapter in the reader is a separate author. So therefore, if you were doing the one with the forest for the trees, you would put the name of the author for that chapter, Johnson, the title, and then in this area you talk about the primary author, which is the editor, and the name of the primary book. These will be different according to the chapters that you are listing and citing in the paper. Also, you may add additional sources. Important point: any source that is listed in references must be cited in the body of the paper. So if we take a look at this, everything that's listed in references has to be cited somewhere in the heart of the paper. I trust this template will help you with learning APA format and also assisting you in writing the papers for this course. Thank you.